Hello everyone, welcome to the TechLam Solutions. Today we are going to discuss about technology which is really high in demand in IT industry, and that technology is data engineering. When I say about data engineering, big data is an irreplaceable part of data engineering, and today I am going to give you an overview about big data engineering. So let's get started. In this session we are going to cover topics such as overview of big data, market opportunities present for big data engineer, what is the salary trend, roles and responsibilities of big data engineer, what are the skills big data engineer should possess, and the last but not least, big data learning path by TechLam Solutions. So the first question comes in our mind is what is big data? And as the name suggests, data which is really high in a volume is called as big data. When I say really high in a volume, it means data must be in gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte or more than that. One more question might come in your mind that why this big data come into picture now? Why not few decades back? And the answer is really simple. As we are moving towards the digitization, data generated by us now is really huge, which was not possible few decades back. Now we all have a smartphones, because of which we spend most of our time online. And while being online, we generate a lot of data for the companies with every single click we do on their website. Suppose there are millions of users surfing on a particular website. So how much data they can generate for that particular company? This is huge data and it can be called as a big data. This data will be used by the company for company's own growth, customer satisfaction and many more. Here we have shown some of the major sources which generate big data, and those sources are like banking, government, social media, educational, retail, hospitals and healthcare, web and IoT. Moving forward, we will see the different characteristics of big data. Initially, big data was defined by 3 V's, which were volume, variety, and velocity. But as the big data evolves, 2 new V's were added in its characteristics, which are veracity and value. Let's look into it one by one. First, volume. As explained previously, data must be high in volume to be called as big data. Usually, data in KBs or MBs can't get considered as big data, so the volume is important. Next is variety. Data always comes in a different format such as structured, unstructured or semi-structured. Example of structured data is data from RDBMS, where we store the data into row and column format. Where the example of unstructured data are images, audios, videos or the logs generated by sensors. Whereas the example of semi-structured data are CSV, Parquet and XML data. Next is velocity. It defines the speed at which the data is getting generated. And as we have seen, the data generation speed has increased a lot over a time. Next, veracity. It defines the degree to which the big data can be trusted. Since the most of the data nowadays is unstructured, big data needs to find a way to transform this data so the business can use it and trust it. And the last but not least, value. Whatever data we have collected, it must give some value to the business so that business can use that values and take the decisions accordingly. As we have seen the big data characteristics, let's look out on the market trend for big data engineering. According to market analysis, big data engineering market is expected to reach $40 billion in 2030, which was $3 billion in 2017. Here we can see huge demand of big data engineers is expected in the future. Also, this technology has shown tremendous growth in current year 2020 with around 50% growth in number of open job opportunities. Here we have shown some of the top industries that are looking forward for hiring big data engineer. Moving forward, we will see what is the salary big data engineers are earning. I know we all were waiting for this discussion, so let's look into it. According to survey done on major job portals, we found the average salary of 3 to 4 year experienced big data engineer across the globe is like this. And if you look particularly for India or some Asian countries, the salary is around 12 lakh rupees, which is quite high compared with other IT professionals. We just saw some attractive salaries, but these salaries also comes with some roles and responsibilities. So let's look into the job responsibilities of big data engineer. The main objective of big data engineer is to find creative solutions to meet customers' requirement. Starting from the designing, project goes through different phases like planning, development, validation of developed code, implementation, testing and maintenance of implemented project. and big data engineer will have to work on all these phases and provide end-to-end solution to the customer. Moving forward, we will see what are the skills big data engineer should possess to complete these responsibilities. First is strong analytical skills to handle and work with large and unstructured datasets. Next, programming languages like Python, Java or Scala. You can choose any one of these and start your big data journey. Next, knowledge of SQL and NoSQL databases. Also, knowledge of ETL and warehousing tools such as Informatica, Talend or DataStage. Next, working of operating systems like Windows or Unix. Most of the organizations prefer Unix over the Windows, so Unix is important. Next, Hadoop ecosystem based analytical tool. This is really important as when the big data was defined, Hadoop was the solution for all big data problems. That's why the understanding of Hadoop is really important. Next is real-time processing frameworks like Spark. Spark is a super demanding technology in a data engineering world, and it is way faster than Hadoop. While comparing, we can find that it is almost 100 times faster than the Hadoop computing system. Also, writing code in Spark is very simple. Because of the simplicity in coding and high performance, importance of Spark is really high. And the last two skills are data mining and data modeling. These are the skills big data engineer should possess to complete his responsibilities. Moving forward, we will see the last module of this video, and that is Big Data Learning Path, which has been designed by highly professional and experienced data engineers of TechLamp Solutions. In our path, we will start with the data modeling and data warehousing. Here, some of you might ask why we are learning data modeling. Then let me tell you, if you want to become a data engineer, then you must know the data modeling. Because being a data engineer, you will face a time where you will have to build a data model all by yourself. And in our course, we will focus on major concepts of data modeling, which will really help you in your data engineering career. Then we will focus on SQL. I know SQL is very easy to understand, but when it will come to the advanced level of SQL, most of the people do lag in this skill. And if you want to become a data engineer, then your SQL should be very strong. In our course, we will start from the basics, but our major focus will be on the advanced level of SQL. Then we will learn Unix and Python. As I told you previously, you can choose any one programming language from Python, Java or Scala, but you must have a proficiency in at least one programming language. Also, you should have a hands-on experience and sound knowledge about Unix. While working, you will use a lot of Unix command and shell scripting, for which understanding of Unix is must. Then we will focus on big data framework technologies. Here we will go in depth of all technologies. We will start with Hadoop's MapReduce and HDFS, then we will cover Hive, which is built on the top of Hadoop. Next we will learn Spark, which is super fast in a processing. Then for the import and export of data, we will learn Sqoop. And at last, for the scheduling, we will learn Airflow. And that's it. This was our learning path, and there is no prerequisite for this course. Any person can join our course and become a data engineer. Once you complete this learning journey, you can start your search for the big data job. We assure you that we will also assist you in your interview journey and will help you to get your dream job. If you liked our learning path, then you can WhatsApp me on below number and join in our free demo lecture. You just need one laptop or computer with good internet connection, and you can start your big data journey with us while being at home. If you liked our initiative, then please do like and share the video. In future, we will come with more videos on big data related topics. So do subscribe to our channel for latest video. Thank you.